Configuring AIM's Global RSA option. The RSA configuration page is only applicable when an RSA connector is installed. For access to the Avatier Identity Management Suite, or AIMS, the connector must be configured to accept RSA SecurID token authentication. Using the RSA Lost Token configuration menu, AIMS can generate one-time passwords for users in place of their token. To define the characteristics of a one-time password, start by configuring the number of passwords to generate in the case of a lost RSA token. Next, enter the expire date and time for all one-time passwords. You can also configure an expiration time relative to the issuing of a one-time password. To complete the configuration, under Password Composition, select whether to include or exclude numbers and letters in a one-time password. For more on configuring AIM's global RSA options, visit the Avatier Support Wiki.